I got 2 birds today. That blue one right there is my mom's. She named it Blue because it's blue. And I got this yellow one, and his name is Chip because he's yellow like a potato chip. And this is their cage. It's got like a nice roof. And they got two food bowls so they don't fight over it, and they got 1 water. I was gonna put 2 waters, but I think I'll put this one in later. I still got my hamster. She's been crawling on my shoulder. She's not that big compared to them, but she's still bigger than them. I'm scared about having birds because they actually fly. Boy, Amber, she doesn't fly. Oh, she knocked it down. They don't move much, but they're kind of chill. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. The paper said I wasn't supposed to pet him for at least... Sorry, my recording got cut off, but the paper said I wasn't supposed to pet him for 3 to 4 days, but since I'm impatient, I'm going to pet him the 3rd day, which is like, right now it's the 19th, so that's going to be like the 23rd, 22nd, yeah, 22nd, but I really want to open this cage so I can show you, but they fly around. They're kind of nervous right now. Hey, bud. Hey, Blue. What are you doing? Blue? What about Chip? Sorry about that. Sorry, Chip. I'm sorry, Potato Chip. I said earlier that they are nervous, but that's what happens. And let me pick up that bowl Amber drop.